Donald Trump and Bill Gates do not want 5G radiation, at least not for themselves. In the state of Florida, a law was passed which allows wireless telecommunications service providers to place 5G antennas everywhere without authorization, except in Palm Beach, the residence of billionaire Bill Gates and President Donald Trump. According to Tom Bradford, a city administrator, the ban temporarily blocks any applications to install wireless communications on public properties in Palm Beach. This exception was justified with the excuse that the installation of the antennas would disfigure the cityscape, something the residents might oppose. It remains an open question as to whether the prohibition of 5G installation in Palm Beach is actually to prevent the total surveillance or to stave off serious health damage by high-frequency microwave radiation. In any case, Gates and Trump do the right thing in renouncing 5G until conclusive scientific studies exist, showing its health impact on human beings.